Hello guys, welcome to Sparking Media once again. In this video tutorial, I'll be talking about this Payrib withdrawal. I have been seeing your queries on how do you withdraw. You have been performing tasks on this particular platform, and maybe you have attended the withdrawal threshold and you want to place withdrawal, but you have placed withdrawal and yet to receive your payment. And yesterday I made video on this very platform here known as Payrib, on the legitimacy of this platform, exposing and explaining everything about this platform. And in that video I stated that this platform is not real, it is fake. So for those of you searching endlessly how to place withdrawal, how do I withdraw, yes, the withdrawal option is there. When you click on these three dots here and you see on payout options, you can see that they have the various payout options here. You can see the bank transfer, they also have the Venmo, they also have the USDT, and they also have the Cash App, they also have the Peace transfer and PayPal and rest of them. So before you withdraw, you need to have at least $100 to $1,000 before you can be able to withdraw. So that is it, guys. Now listen to me very attentively. All these things you are seeing here is fake, okay? So search no more. Stop making endless research because it is not going to help you. This video is to help you so that you will stop making that research you have been making. I have been seeing it here on my channel dashboard and how you people are making research. Withdrawal. How do I withdraw? So guys, there is nothing you can do. You can't withdraw. All these things you are seeing here is audio money. It is not real, it is fake. So it's better you stop wasting your effort, stop wasting your data, stop wasting your time, stop wasting your energy, and look for something good to do for yourselves. Okay, and also check this channel. I have dropped a lot of legitimate updates which you can do to earn money online with your smartphone. So check some of my recent video and help yourself. Okay, so that is it. Stop making research about this Payrib withdrawal because it is fake. You cannot withdraw. Even if you withdraw, you will not get paid. You can also go to Trustpilot and check. You will see how people are complaining, negative reviews. All the reviews there are negatives, so you can't withdraw. So that's just it, guys. Thank you for watching this video. If you have any other questions, feel free to comment below. The comment section is widely open for you. And don't forget, if you are interested in making money online, my name is Sparking Media, aka Legit Boss. What I do on this channel is all about business. So if you have interest in making online, for you not to miss any of my updates, all you need to do is to hit on that subscribe button shown on your screen and then turn on the notification bell so that to be among the first person to be notified whenever I release videos on how to make money online with your smartphone legitimately. Okay, thanks for watching this video, and don't forget there is love in sharing. As I've shared this video with you, also share it with others because a lot of people are out there making endless research on how they can withdraw their earnings from Payribs, whereas they cannot withdraw it because what they have there is nothing, it is fake. Okay, thanks guys, and may God bless you as you share this video.